Hi, this is Ben Parojcic with Remax Beyond 2000, and welcome to your Real Estate Market Minute. Today we're talking about how to get through the home inspection on your home sale. And home inspectors basically look at everything top to bottom from your house, and what I want to do is give you a little bit of an overview of the most common defects so that you can be better prepared for that home inspection. One of my favorite pet peeves is leaking around the chimney flashing. Roofs don't really leak that often, but chimney flashing really leaks pretty frequently. So go ahead, crawl up into the attic and see if there are fresh drip marks around your chimney, and if there are, seal around that flashing and avoid a problem at the home inspection time. Another hot topic, I think, is electrical issues. Inspectors are very fond of seeing GFIs near 6 feet of water. They want to see those GFIs. They also would like a lot of your outlets to be grounded if at all possible. That's tough to do on an older home, but there are ways to work around that. They don't like to see open junction boxes in the basement or open splices in the basement, and same for the garage. No open junction boxes or splices. Now, if you have a Federal Pacific breaker box, you're probably going to end up changing that out. Most inspectors consider those dangerous, and then therefore the buyer wants those changed. So be aware of that. There are ways to handle it if time and budget don't allow you to change that out. We could do things like a credit and so forth. Furnace and air, very simple. Make sure everything works, but go the extra step. Have your furnace guy come out and do a clean and check, and also have him check for gas leaks and carbon monoxide leaks. Home inspectors are notorious for having overly sensitive gauges, and they're always detecting gas leaks. Much better for you to have all the leaks fixed beforehand so you don't have a buyer or an inspector looking over your shoulder when those leaks are getting corrected. Plumbing, also very simple. If it leaks, fix it. So if your faucets, your spigots, or your drain lines are leaking, go ahead and get those fixed, or have your plumber come in and fix those. Your outside concrete, your driveways and your sidewalks, little cracks are okay, but big heaving, gaping cracks are not okay. Cracks larger than 3/4 of an inch are considered tripping hazards. And so what you're going to want to do is ramp those with some concrete so people can't catch a toe or a heel on those cracks. And I think that those are the most common defects that are going to pop up. If you can sort of look at your house with a critical eye and beware of those items and sort of prepare your house ahead of time, I think you're going to have a much smoother transaction. Also, I have prepared a home inspection checklist, so if you'd like, you can call or email me. I'll get that right out to you, and you can sort of go and look through your house with the checklist and really get your house prepared to succeed at that home inspection. So that's it for your Real Estate Market in a Minute. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, remember to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you soon.